Hello and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be sharing some tips and tricks that I use to make sure both my babies slept throughout the night. I do have two girls. One is 3-year-old and the other one is just 4 months old. So both of them are sleeping amazing. Second child started sleeping well from the 4th month onward, because that's when they can start forming sleep cycles and everything. So till 3 months it is going to be a little difficult. After that, if you follow these tips, it will definitely help you guys to make sure your child starts getting into that sleep cycle, and make sure that they sleep throughout the night so that you can have your sanity like me. So if you're not subscribed to my channel yet, definitely go and subscribe so that whenever I post these useful videos, they get to you. So let's get into the video. First tip is, in the morning times, whenever they are going for naps, you have to make sure they're sleeping in a well lit surroundings. So right now my baby is sleeping right here, but she is sleeping in a well lit room. You can see that my room is well lit, and even the light from outside is also coming. So make sure you are putting them to sleep in a well lit area. If there is no well lit area, put the light on and let them sleep in that light only, so that they will get used to that light and sleeping in that light. They should know that this is the morning time and they are taking the nap, so they will slowly start learning that. So that's why you have to put your babies to sleep in the morning times in well lit areas. My second tip for you guys is, whenever you are putting them to sleep at night, this is not at the morning time but at night, whenever you are putting them to sleep, make sure to turn off all the lights. Even before they were starting to get sleepy, turn off the lights and only put on a small night light. That will make sure that they are sleeping peacefully and you can see them. Even if you wake up or something happens, you have to feed them, you have to see them. So that's why keep a small light that is not that bright, but except for that, turn off all the lights and then put them to sleep. So the third point is related to the second one itself. Do not turn on your lights when you are trying to feed them. Of course, babies are small, they need feeding. At least till they are like 8 to 9 months, they will need those feedings, night feedings. But do not turn on those lights. You have your night light, use that night to navigate and feed your baby and burp them and then put them back to sleep. If you turn on that light, it is gone, their sleep is gone. Now they have to repeat that play, feed and then sleep cycle, and of course in between pee or poop. So do not turn on those lights. The fourth point I have written down is that you have to feed using the night light at night, so that I already explained. So the fifth point is, morning time, take them outside, let them see the light, let them have that open air on their body, and also some sunlight is of course good for them. That will help them to learn that this is morning time. Like whenever you're turning on the lights and everything is dark, it is night time, so they will sleep more at night time and they will take naps at the morning time. So the sixth point is, whenever you're putting them to sleep at night, wear amazing cozy clothes. So for them, just put on some nice onesies and make sure they are fully covered and tucked in. So for my third month onwards, I started using a velcro thingy that just put my baby inside it and just like close it up, so that my baby's arms are nice and snuggled up, so she feels like, yeah, she's cozy enough. So of course make sure like put nice soft clothes, and of course your newborn baby, you're not going to put anything that is harsh, but still make sure you're putting onesies really help. So they just make sure to like keep your baby warm and cozy, so that way your baby will get sleepy on its own, as well as they will start to sleep more because they are cozy. So the last point is, some people do not wear diapers in the morning times, but for the night time, for your sanity, put on that diaper. So if it is possible, try and put them in diapers. Like I do not use diapers in the morning time because it is hard for me to dispose here, no one's coming and picking it up, so that's why I do not use it full time. But for night time, I definitely try and use it, because my sleep is really important for me. So I like to make sure, like morning time I do not use my diapers, but night time, whenever I'm putting her to sleep, I like to put her diaper on her. So that really helps. That makes sure she doesn't feel wet and then wake up and all of her sleep is gone. So that does not happen. So I make sure to put a diaper on her, especially during the night time. This is a big tip for me, because I realized that with my first baby, whenever she got wet at night, she woke up. First baby was really good at sleeping, but when she woke up, she would not go back to sleep. It was really hard to put her back to sleep. So this diaper trick really helped for me. I was not using diaper at that time at night also, but after I started using diaper, oh my god, that changed my life. She slept throughout the night. She just woke up for feeds. I fed her in the night itself. She slept like a baby. For my second baby, she wakes up whenever she's hungry. So for the first baby, I have to wake her up every time that I want to feed her. But for my second baby, she's a light sleeper, so I had to like make sure that I don't wake her up whenever I'm feeding. But I just change her diaper once at night, and we are good to go. And that's how I keep my both babies sleeping throughout the night. So definitely I hope you guys enjoyed this video and this was helpful for you. If it was, definitely let me know down below. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I'll be bringing more useful videos for you guys. Definitely subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Okay, bye, take care.